We're now more than 2 months into the COVID-19 crisis, and local real estate markets are responding in very different ways. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. One of the most interesting stories coming out of the East Bay is sales prices. Let's get into that, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Big drop in homes on the market with the exception of Alameda, up by 1 home, and San Lorenzo up by 4 homes. Hayward, half the inventory, was 64 for sale. Newark 30, Union City 16. That's a 73% drop from last May. Sales prices, with just a few exceptions, prices up. Albany 1.35 up 32%. Castro Valley more than 1 million up 15%. Union City at 1.125. That's a 23% increase. Homes sold. Massive drop in sales activity compared with last May. Fremont, 42 homes sold. That's down 72%. Oakland, 133 sold, down 47%. San Leandro, 23 sold, down 45%. Next up, let's go to West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, down everywhere. El Cerrito, 7 on the market. Pinole, 10, down 55%. San Pablo, 12 for sale. Sales prices all over the map. El Cerrito at 883, down 13% from last May. El Sobrante down 2 at 540. Hercules up 672, that's 12%. Homes sold, mostly single digits. Hercules, 7 sold. San Pablo, 3. Richmond, that's a pretty big city, just 37 sold, down 46% from last May. Moving further inland to central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, down with one exception. Clayton, 11 for sale, down 61%. Concord, 79. Walnut Creek, 47 on the market, down 40%. Martinez, the exception, with 51 for sale, up 16%. Sales prices, mixed. Clayton and Concord, prices up 3-4%. Martinez down 4%. Pleasant Hill, 824, down 10%. And Walnut Creek also down 1.12, down 7%. Homes sold, down everywhere. Concord 51, down 58%. Martinez 20. Walnut Creek just 37. That's down 46%. Now we're going to check out La Miranda. Homes for sale, mixed. Lafayette up a bit, 41 for sale. Moraga and Orinda down with 17 and 50 on the market. Sale prices also mixed. Lafayette at 1.85, up 7%. Moraga up a single percent, but Orinda 1.625, down 9%. Homes sold, down in all 3 communities. Moraga only 6 sold. That's a 71% drop. Up next is the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, down everywhere. Dublin, 39, down 41%. Livermore, 74 for sale. San Ramon, 57. That's down 51%. Sales prices, buyers are taking their time, and we see this also in sales prices. Danville, 1.38, down 2%. Livermore down at 810. Pleasanton, 1.213, down 5%. And San Ramon, 1.095, that's 9% down. Homes sold, big drop in sales. Alamo only 10 sold. Dublin, 20 sold. Pleasanton, 26. And San Ramon, 23. That's 73% down from last May. We're going to wrap things up in the Delta. Homes for sale, as with the rest of the East Bay, down. Antioch, 73 on the market. Brentwood, 151, down 30%. Oakley, 41. That's a 54% drop. And Pittsburgh, just 39 for sale. Sales prices, mixed. Antioch tops 500,000, up 5%. Discovery Bay at 635, up 6%. But Oakley, 495, that's down 6%. Homes sold, down. Antioch, 66. Discovery Bay, 19, that's down 51%. Oakley, only 29 sold. Please stay healthy. Please stay safe. We'll see you next month.